Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. We all love potatoes in any form, don't we? But my son would love this aloo chicken curry that I used to make, and it used to turn out really nice. So I thought, let me share this recipe with all of y'all. So I'm going to heat 4 tablespoons of oil. The oil's got hot. I'm going to add an inch of cinnamon, 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and about 10 peppercorns, 1 bay leaf. The spices are releasing an amazing aroma. Let's add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And we're going to add 4 onions that I have sliced finely. I'm going to fry these onions till they are nice golden brown and crisp. To fasten the process of browning the onions, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. The onions have turned nice golden brown. Let's add a kilo of chicken and sear it in this. Here I have 3 medium-sized potatoes which I have diced. I'm going to add these as well. We're going to fry the potatoes and the chicken till it gets a nice slight golden brown color. The flame is on a high. You can see that the chicken has started to brown here. It's getting all the beautiful caramelized color from the onions. So are the potatoes. A tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste. Just let's mix this well. I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes that I have chopped here. I'm going to add this. The tomatoes have got nice and soft and are cooked well. I'm just going to quickly whisk in 1 cup of yogurt and add this as well. I'm going to reduce the flame. As you can see, the oil has separated. Now let's add our spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chilli powder. It depends on you how spicy you would want to have your chicken curry. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 5 green chillies which I have slit. Let's saute this further till a little more oil separates. So again, I'm going to increase the flame to a high. As you can see, the oil has separated. Let's add a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix this again. Now let's add a liter and a half of water. We had already added salt when we were frying the onions, so let's adjust the seasoning right now. I'm going to give this a final stir and I'm going to cover it and cook it till the chicken is done, which will approximately take 20 minutes. We kept the chicken to cook for almost 20 minutes. Let's see if it's done. I can see the meat is off the bone. That means the chicken is ready. Potatoes usually don't take too long to cook. So now let's shut the flame and remove this curry in a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish this with some fresh finely chopped coriander, and our aloo chicken is ready to be served. You can have it with paratha or steamed rice or any bread of your choice. You saw how simple this recipe is to make. I'm sure it's not just your kids, but you're also going to love this recipe. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.